Occlusion, occlusion, occlusion. This person has two tension contacts on the distal lingual and distal buccal cusp, causing a microfracture along the distal marginal ridge with recurrent decay, and it has a giant amalgam restoration, more than 2/3 across the isthmus width. This to me is partial coverage, indirect restorations all day long, not another direct resin, and definitely not a full coverage crown. We could be more conservative than that. Here's the final preparation, rubber dam isolated and into now the scanner. We're going to do a scan here with the rubber dam on. I have already scanned the preoperative condition and the bite into exocad for a very fast design. Exocad is insanely efficient at these types of things. We're maximizing adaptability here with our occlusal contact scheme. Into the 3D printer, 10 minutes it took to print these. Now we're going to pop them off, dry try it. Take a look at that, guys. It's an incredible fit. And here I am now finishing popping off the supports with a flush cutter into the felt pad with some candy coat here with little Empress Direct resin stains, and it's going to go into the curing unit. This is being optimized to match the patient's dentition. And now we're going to go ahead and pop it into the manufacturer's recommended curing unit. And selective etch technique here under rubber dam isolation. And now we're going to go ahead and fill it with high viscosity Ivoclar Verilink Aesthetic HVLC, and we're going to clean it up, tack, cure it, floss it, and here it is right after delivery with the rubber dam off. And check out this bite wing radiograph. I absolutely love teaching this at the Mod Institute.